So you're 26 and now supposedly this real adult with a real adult job, and you've never been out of school and you don't know what to do. If you relate to that statement, then you're probably kind of like me. I just finished law school in May, passed the bar, and I'm still kind of in this weird limbo of trying to find out where I fit in the legal community. How do I present myself? How do I want others to think of me? What do I do in my free time? What's my work-life balance like? Especially when I'm one of the few people in the office that doesn't have a husband and kids, which is fine if you don't. Sometimes it just kind of makes it feel hard to see where you fit in somewhere. So for me, to kind of combat that, I knew that I wanted to present myself in the best light possible coming into the profession, but I didn't know what that meant per se. I had been mentored and watched a lot of different types and styles of attorneys coming into my career, and I knew things I didn't like and I knew things I did like. I don't think one was better than the other, but I knew that I didn't want to be the type of person who screams or yells a lot or is really pounding on the table. I wanted to be somebody that people felt comfortable talking to. I wanted to be somebody that even if I'm talking to the victim in a case, they feel comfortable talking to me. I want clients to feel like they can come to me if they have a question, that I will try to answer that in the best possible way. And if not, I'll either find the answer for them or ask somebody else. I knew that I wanted to be in the courtroom, but I also know that I like to joke around a lot. It can be hard trying to find a balance of being this professional persona, but then also being like this millennial Gen Z kind of cusp of like, well, am I like gonna joke around with the boss, or am I going to like think of him as this elusive person? I knew that throughout all of that, I needed to be very genuine to myself. And I think I spent a lot of time in law school and high school and undergrad throughout my life being somebody who I was not, because that's what I thought I needed to be. And I think especially in the law, you can really be pressured into being somebody who you think you're supposed to be. You're supposed to be this person that is always in a suit, always in heels. Their hair and makeup's always perfect. They never crack a joke. They smile, but not too much, but not too little. And I think especially for women in the legal field, that can be a very different balance. So for me, I prioritized being able to be genuine to myself, being in a company, a job atmosphere, a career atmosphere where everybody accepts that. I bet you could probably go to anybody in my office and ask them what I'm like, and they will probably tell you that I crack jokes all the time, and I am a goofball and a klutz, and I have fallen down the steps at the courthouse. It just is part of who I am. But I can probably guarantee that they will also tell you that I'm very reliable, that I get my stuff done and I get it done when it needs to be done. And I am somebody that they can come to if something comes up and they just need somebody to rely on. So I think that having that balance of being a fun-loving free spirit that you are, while also like maintaining your true professional integrity, is something that has helped me really try to transition into becoming an attorney and having this as my career, but without losing all the fun of life. This is a very difficult job that we do. The legal field is very, very high stress and can cause a lot of anxiety. I think the more you try to be somebody that you're not, the more that can take a toll on you. Having your morals, your integrity, and knowing the type of attorney that you want to be will really help you stay grounded and let you just be who you are, and funny and silly if that's what it is. Or if you're serious, then that's fine too. But just be true to yourself. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Otherwise, you can visit us at versestexas.com.